Hi guys, this is Matthew again, and this is our fifth strategy for today. 1st of September 2025 is the first week of September. We dropped 5 strategies across all the channels today. 1st of September 2025. So here we're going to be trading the touch no touch for volatility 31x. It's among the new volatilities that were just added not too long ago on the Deriv interface. I'm in dark mode. You can change to dark mode if you want to. So once you log into your trading account, you go to volatility 31x, then you go to the trade type here at the right corner, the top corner right here. You choose the touch no touch, touch no touch. You set this to minutes, set this to 7 minutes, set the barrier to minus 0.756, minus 0.756. So we're going to be placing our trade. We're going to be clicking on touch. Enter the amount you want to stake. Enter the amount right there. Depends on what you have in your account. So here we're going to be clicking on touch. Once this is going up and the number here is below 500. Once it's pushing up and the last 3 numbers here is below 500. That's 372 is below 500. So it has to be going up and it has to be below 500. You can see we won that trade right there. We won that trade. So you have to wait again and watch. Make sure it's going right up and the number has to be below 500. It's going down, so you have to wait. Make sure the barrier is set correctly, minus 0.756. If it's going up, you will know because this white stuff will be pushing right up. So you just need to watch the number. It has to be below 500. It's up and that's 361. So you can see we won that trade. We're going to trade again. Still going to trade again. It has to be going higher up. It's going up, but the number is higher than 500. And you have to be very fast when clicking on touch. It's going up, it's down again. Going up and down. Up, up. Up, that's 0.56. So we won that trade. We're going to trade again. Let's place one more trade. Have to wait. That's to be going right up. Okay, it's up. Just wanted to go a little bit more up. Okay, it's going up. Okay, that's 0.78 right there. As you can see, we want all the trades right there, so make sure you watch carefully, make sure it's going up and the number is below 500 before you place your trade. This strategy is 100% guaranteed, so you can go on and on and on and make a lot of money. Don't forget to subscribe to our channels, and for the buy sell indicator, is replacing some trades right here and it's still red, but I'm online, it's going to turn blue. It's a norm thing. So this indicator works on Deriv and other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. You can see some trades are ongoing. Euro USD is going on. V10, 25, 75. You can use it to trade your volatility index, your crash and boom, Forex pairs and all that. We're still giving it away for free, so all the infos are there in the video description. To get the indicator for free, all you have to do is sign up for a free trading account using this link right here, and subscribe to all these channels, the 3 channels right here. Then send an email with the subject free indicator to the last 3 digits of your account, with the last 3 digits of your account to this email address. Once you confirm your sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. And for those who already have a trading account, you can order the indicator here for $12. And for the pip stripper board and the top scalper board, for those who haven't ordered them, top scalper is 9.99 and pip stripper board is 7.99. They both work on Deriv and they're automated. We're also giving away free ebooks and some free bots when you order any of our bots. We're also giving away the indicator when you order any of our bots, and when you order the indicator, we're giving away our bots for free. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. So the links to order the indicators and the bots are there in the video description. For the bots, there's a link for the pip stripper bot, and there's a link for the top scalper bot. There's a link for you to sign up for a free trading account for those who don't have a trading account, and the links to subscribe to our channels are right there. Check the video description on YouTube to subscribe to all our channels. There are other infos as well in the video description on YouTube. Check the video description on YouTube. So I'm going to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.